Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide App. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a language on Google Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, which is menu icon. Here you can see various menu options. Select and tap on settings. Now you are provided with a list of setting options. Scroll down and tap on languages. Here on this page, you can see an option Add Language. Tap on the plus icon to add language. Now, a list of available languages will appear. You can tap on the search icon at the top right corner and type the language that you want to add, or you can simply scroll to the language that you want to add. You can now select and tap on the language that you want to add. As you can see, we have successfully added a language on Google Chrome. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.